Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Just going to do an unboxing video. This is my new Karcher. It's a 1900 psi or 1.3 gallons per minute electric pressure washer. And I'll just do an overview of the exterior of the box. Nice thing about this one is you can actually turn it on and off with a foot pedal. The handle actually folds down for storage, plus it has a reel for your hose, which having a couple pressure washers, that's a great idea. And this is a 110 volt pressure washer. I've had a few different gas ones with gas, so you always run into the issue with the motor not running 100% and oil changes and whatnot, which I didn't mind. However, it's nice to actually give an electric one a try here. Again, just going over some of the features there if you want to pause it. Alright, let's see what's inside. I just undid the tape there. And first of all, you have your manual and your warranty. So this comes with a 3-year warranty, which is nice. The main part is the pump and the motor itself. Usually the motor seems to work fine. It's typically an issue with the pump. Alright, that's just an empty box. Toss that aside. And let's open up this here. Again, when you're using a knife, be careful not to push too far. You don't know exactly what's on the other side. Alright. So there's your pressure washer handle. It actually feels good. It feels not too light. Aside. There's your spray nozzle. This goes on the end of the handle. One of your wheels. And there's the second wheel. That's everything in that box. Once you get that box out, again, those are all the items that were inside it. 2 wheels, the handle and the nozzle, and then there's the actual pressure washer unit itself and the handle. So I'm going to get these lifted out and we'll see what they are. So here's a little tip. When I attempted to lift the unit itself out and the handle, they're actually attached. The handle folds down, so when you actually bring the handle up, it actually snaps into place, which is nice because you don't have to install a handle on the unit itself. So that made it a lot easier. So I'll put down the camera and I'll lift it out. Alright, so that's all that's in the box, and there's the unit lifted out. And very nice, because really all I have to install is the wand and the tires on the bottom of the unit. So I'm going to get those installed on, and again, they're pretty easy to install. As you can see, it's just a pin and it's locked in, and that goes right in there, so that's nice and easy to do. So we're going to get the tires on and we'll take a peek and see how it looks. So to install the wheel, it has this pin, this pulls right out, and there's a little washer. So you're actually going to take this wheel and you're going to put it through that hole there. And you can see it's popped through on the other end. And what you're going to do is put the washer and then the pin through. There's literally no tools required to put this together, which is nice. So again, you slide it through, put a washer and put the pin through, and then there it goes. It's easy as that, and then there's that side there all done. And to put the handle onto the nozzle. It's literally threads, and it screws into there. What a lot of people do is put a little bit of Vaseline or whatnot right in there, because if not, it's going to be impossible to take out in a couple years if you have to take this apart. So again, a little bit of Vaseline around the threads and the rubber O-ring, and it'll make it a lot easier down the road. Also, there was these different nozzle tips and garden hose connections. These were actually located right in there where the cable was for the 110 power. So I'm going to take those out, and they actually fit right in there, right on the handle. Alright, it's all put together, so let's go over a little overview on the outside. So it has two soap containers. You can put like car soap in one side and maybe some cleaning soap for a house or whatnot on the other side. To switch from soap, this is 1, number 2. So again, it's just a matter of turning your knob here. So again, it's 1 and 2. And again, to turn the pressure on and off, actually use a foot pedal. That turns it on, and then off is up, which is nice. And on the outside of the unit, that's where you connect your garden hose. Just pops off a little cover there. It's just protecting it so no debris gets in it. To actually fold down the handle, you just push in on both sides, and then you can fold the handle down for storage, which is actually really nice. That's a nice option. And this is the end of your 1. Again, it has your different nozzles. They fit right in here. So all you do is pull it out, and then you can put your different nozzle in the end right there just by pulling this back, putting the tip in, and then when it goes forward it locks it in. So we'll put that back so we don't lose it. So again, it comes with a soap, a 40 degree, a 15 degree, and a turbo nozzle. So when I'm ready to use this in the springtime, I'll take this end of the hose, and that just screws on the handle of the wand. And again, this pressure washer, even when it's turned on, the actual motor doesn't kick on till you pull in the handle. That will turn the motor on. When you release the handle, that will turn it off. And that's what it looks like all folded down. Again, you can take the handle and just unscrew it halfway down and put it in the other end. And again, it's got a little storage area for your power cable. And nice thing about this too, it's got a little handle here so you can actually roll your hose back up. Again, all the gas ones I've had, the hose has just been draped on the side of it, which just makes a mess. So as you can see, look at how nice and compact this unit is. Anyways guys, just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of my new 1900 psi Karcher pressure washer. And hopefully in a month or two I'll actually be able to get this unit going, and I'll do a review on how it works out. But if you have any questions or comments, anything you want to see about this, let me know, post them below. And if you're interested in items such as this, or antique electronics, gaming, farming equipment, tractors, vehicle maintenance, I kind of do it all on this channel. So you may want to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get an update if I post a new video. Anyways guys, I appreciate you watching this video. Again, questions or comments, post them below. If not, take care. Have an excellent day. Bye now.